Hey guys, African community, it's your favorite girl here, the phenomenal Bookie again.
Hello.
I'm live with Oliver. Do you remember this pretty face? I met him in Dubai at one of the events a while ago, just about 2 months ago, wasn't it? Now we are in Maldives. We just had dinner by the Indian Ocean. It is the Indian Ocean, isn't it? By the Indian Ocean. Beautiful views, guys. Beautiful views. We're going to be here for the next 5 days at the Maldives incentive vacation.
Yes.
So I have Oliver here next to me again, and I've grabbed him again. Remember, he gave me a testimony about how his 100K account was doing. And at that time, which was when were we in Dubai, guys?
It was in March.
In March, his 100K account had made a profit of $77,000. So I just wanted to catch up with him, and I said, how is that your account doing? Guys, you need to hear from him. The power of leveraging a system that works. So over to you, Oliver. What's the update on that 100K account?
Yes. Hello guys. So look at that. Now we have almost, you cannot see it so good.
Yeah, they can see it now.
118,000 on the watch here. By the way, watch. I also got today my new incentive watch. So yeah, it is now already return on investment. The $100,000 account is 117
in profit.
Yeah.
You need to see this. What's going on?
Need to see this. Wait. No. Look.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
So look at these numbers. This after a half year of investment. So I started on the 27th of October with $100,000, and now look at it. 117,000 profits. That's amazing.
And the $100,000.
And the $100,000 is also in the trading. So
means you have 117%.
Awesome. That's
So sorry, I guys jump in it. What you don't need to forget, what we normally used to, you put 100,000 inside, and then yes, you have 117. So means 17,000 plus. In this case, not, because now all he can take is 100K out and still has 117,000 more than he had before. Guys, this is the power of amplifying. This is the power of Xfusion. You should never miss that out. Go to your people and tell them what precious thing we have in our hand, and give the people back. It's enough of stealing from them. Everyone else did it. We are here to stay. We are here to help everyone to really get back what they lost, and even much more. So Oli is the living proof for that. Not only Oli, we have loads of people here right now. Everyone who really believes in it, who really gives everything, put effort inside, here gets successful. There is not a single member in this community since we started who didn't earn a penny. And it's not the success story that people earn 10K or more monthly. For me, the success story is in the whole Xfusion, 38,000 people, not a single one who didn't earn. Keep that in mind. Think about it. Have you ever seen this before? You didn't. Therefore, now it's time to get all the people on board.
Absolutely.
Thank you. So back to the lovely.
Thank you, Michael.
we are not talking, we are doing, and that is important. We earn all money, all of us, and it makes life easier with some app on the phone. It's called MetaTrader 5, where you look the blue numbers.
Yes, without lifting your finger.
Yeah, amazing. Fully automatically,
completely hands-free. So we're not just doing the talking. We leaders are putting our funds in here. $100,000 account started on the 27th of October 2025. As of today, it has made him a profit of $117,000. Yes, $117,798 in profit. That is the profit. He still has his capital that is still trading for him. If he wants, he can withdraw the initial 100,000 out of that account today. While sleeping, Neo is working hard. While sleeping, Sonic is working for him. It doesn't get better than this. Guys, you want to run Xfusion. Xfusion is the name of the game. I'll see you. Last word, Oliver.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Welcome in our community, and see you soon in Nigeria.
I'm bringing him to Nigeria. All of them, including Michael, they are coming to Nigeria. See you, African community. It's your girl, the phenomenal Bookie. Take care and have a good time. Bye.